what I want to do is use my saw to cut a piece of wood. Oh, you shouldn't do that. I know you shouldn't do that. Where's the fun in life if you do things you're supposed to do and not what you shouldn't do? I want to cut that flat and I'm going to concave it somehow. I'm going to chisel a semi-concave and then I'm going to burn a smooth concave. But first of all we got to try and saw it. Now my saw don't take things like this. Never have, never fucking will by the look of it. So somehow we need to get that in there. And it's not going to fit in there, is it? You can see that, I can see that. Well, you can't see that, but I can see that. So we need to cut that so it fits in the jaws of the vise. So the jaws of the vise are approximately, this is 3 inches too big, so could I hold it in there? You could if you switch to the electric one. Now I'm hoping this motor don't blow up because everything else in this fucking planet has blown up on me, so what I'm going to try and do is do 2 steps so I can chisel it out so it'll fit then into the jaws of the doodler. So I got to hold that in there like a fucking idiot, but right, what I did is cut into there and I cut into there, and what we're hopefully going to do is with a chisel. No, that's not a chisel. I use a chisel for scrapers and things, you see. I don't use chisel for like carpentry chiseling. I'm not a carpenter chisely type person. Right, the only thing we can do is get rid of some of this, get to my grinder, and I'll just do a quick edge back on there. Nothing special. The fire was burning my leg. I saw red and I thought that was blood. I thought, oh, it's going to be a good day, but it wasn't. It was a bit of tape. Right, I've done that. I'm hoping now that'll just somehow bite the lathe, but I don't think it will. But bite not the lathe, you know what I'm fucking saying. The jaws of the saw. Now this saw obviously do not like cutting wood. No, nobody likes cutting wood, do they? But that should now fit in there, which it does. So all we gotta do is, thank you, Stu. That's nice. If I could get that to stay there like that, we'd be on somewhat of a winner. Alright, that's held in there. Twiddle my knob a bit, press the button, and we'll let that go. Right, we had a few problems at the swinging arms. Right, I had to saw it in there first, take that bit out so the arm would go down to there. That was alright, and I ended up with that, which is great. People that know me would have said, why didn't you put your chainsaw through it? Well, the chainsaw is in the back of the van, and the back of the van is that deep. So I want this concurved into about, let's just say 3/4 inch dropout, but a smoothie thing, feeling smoothie. If I drill holes in the sides with the Forstner, I can then get a clamp in, and clamp it down like that. How does that sound on a dark night? Yep, good. I'm glad you're happy. I'm just going to drill an hole in there-ish. Now I got hole in both sides, so we can put a clamp up in there. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I'll clean it up next year, alright? I haven't got time this year. I've got time for nothing this year. Get to the edge. 'Find out where the middle is, which is there. I think I'll have to swap cameras out because the battery I just put in there is flat as well. 3/4 in the middle, half or 3/8 on a doodly dee. Let's go to doodly dee. 3/4, 3/8, 1/8, so it gives you a semi. Gives you a semi. Oh my god. Well, there it is, folks. That's all it is. It needs a bit of love and attention around the edges because it's rough, and that's all you do. Is it allows you to bend your steel. So if you're making models or anything, it's really handy. That's all I can say. And I will use it quite a lot. I've still got a slight little ridge in there, but for the amount of time it took, I was quite happy with it, you know. There's a pretty good radius in there. I don't know if you can see that. She drops down pretty well there, and it seems pretty good all the way around. So I want to start forming steel when I get some. And over there somewhere I've got my panel beating hammers are over there somewhere, and then we can do roundy things. So that's it. It's a stupid video, but all my videos are, according to some people. But yeah, I've got a bit of plate here. I could have smashed it to pieces for you. Might be enough just to give this a little test. You've got to learn how to stretch and string. As you see, it'll try and crease up on you, but you can. This is the wrong hammer, obviously. That's one thing I don't own, is a bullnose piece of plastic shite. I haven't got a round head apart from in my panel beaters things, but once you get it where you want it, then you can get rid of all these little. You can get rid of all them. That's no problem. It's just nice to see this is working. There. You see the big creases coming there. You can get rid of them. You can shrink them, especially with a ball hammer. But they will shrink away. You can see now she's coming in that way as well. So I'd be happy with that actually. Not finished, but it is something I learnt over the years. Metal's only metal. It's only a bit of steel. All these little, I don't know how much you can see, all these little creases and dents, and they do come out. It's just a matter of using the right hammer, you know. And then, you know, once we'll be up on there as well, like, you know, and we got a bit of a similarity thingies. I'm lifting it up now to start dipping it down. Need a better hammer. I mean, this little hammer here, I broke it 50 times, but this is a fantastic hammer. Yeah. See how them dents are nearly out of it now. It don't take long. Plus, you know, you can leave them little dents in there on some occasions. They do look like they're supposed to be there. But I would lay that on there like that, and I would keep going around the middle, and I would get, sooner or later, I would get a dishy shape. See that crease now? Well, you've got to strink it. You've got to strink it away. It will shrink back in. Strink, stretch. Right. I'm fucking knackered, puffed out, dying for the drink, so I'm going for a drink. You're welcome with me. If you want to come, let's get upstairs, have a couple of pints. I don't know where my panel beating hammer is. There. Okay, I'll look tomorrow. Go on, get out of here!
You bastard! You will never stop me watching the Robert Nurden channel. Fuck off!
Like or dislike. Please subscribe. Thanks folks. God bless you.